The flow of presentation. First, sitting position or posture. Second, standing position or posture. Third, lying or supine posture. Fourth, lifting. Fifth, carrying. Sitting posture. Good posture alignment while sitting is important because sitting is an activity that can place a great deal of pressure on the vertebral disc. The disc pressure in the sitting position increase by slightly less than half the amount of disc pressure on standing. To state the evident or obvious, shifting weight on the front part of the vertebra will increase the amount of pressure placed on the vertebral disc. As the person lean forward, disc pressure increase. As a person pick up a weight, disc pressure further increase as the weight or length of the lever arm increase. The disc pressure in various positions are illustrated in the given figure. The slouch posture. If the lumbar curve is decreased, such as often happen when sitting with the back unsupported or slouch bent, as we can see in figure, the pressure on the intervertebral disc and the posterior structure increases. Kneeling stool. A chair which sit inclined anteriorly, such as kneeling stool, can decrease disc pressure by tilting the pelvic forward slightly. This helps to maintain the lumbar curve. However, because the back is unsupported, increased and sustained muscle contraction is required to keep the body in upright. With sitting posture, a chair that has lumbar support maintain the lumbar lordosis will place the least amount of pressure on the disc. Maintaining the vertebral curve, keep the feet flat on the floor, have the low back supported, and keeping the upper body in good alignment are the key element of good sitting posture, as we can see in this figure. However, shifting weight onto the front part of vertebra is always a problem. Although disc pressure increase in this position, the stresses placed on the posterior part of vertebra, the facet joint decreases. Therefore, if a person had a facet joint problem, generally speaking, a flex position will be desirable. Conversely, if a person has disc problem, an extended position will usually be more desirable. The sitting posture ideally, the seat height allow feet flat on the floor at 90° at the hips, 90° at the knee. The seat depth, the front edge is of 1 to 2 inches from the posterior knee. The back height, it should be to lower scapula and support lumbar spine and the thoracic spine. The placement of the arm, shoulders, it allows shoulders relaxation and permit forearm to rest with elbow at 90° angle.